As a reminder from Lesson 1B on present simple, tense is when something happens in time. In English, there are three tenses: past, present, and future. The present is an event that is happening now. The past is an event before now. The future is an event after now. For more information on present simple, please go back and watch the video for Lesson 1B on present simple. If tense is when an event happens in time, aspect is when an event happens in time relative to another event in time. Simple is one of the three aspects. With simple aspect, there is no additional information. There is no additional word. Simple aspect is an event that happens all the time. She walks to the market. She walks to the market all the time. Walks is present simple. If present simple is an action that happens all the time, such as she walks to the market, progressive aspect is an action that is not finished. It is an ongoing action. She is walking to the market. In your textbook and workbook, they will use the word continuous in place of progressive. I will use the word progressive because it is the more technical and accurate term. However, they are synonyms. Either word is acceptable. Please notice that with the present simple, she walks to the market, there is only the base form of the verb. There is only one verb in present simple. Present progressive has two verbs, the auxiliary verb and the content verb. She is walking to the market. Present progressive is an action in the present that is not finished. It is an ongoing action. She is walking to the market. It's an ongoing action. To form the present progressive in English, you use the appropriate form of the verb to be plus the base verb, and you add ing to the end of the base verb. She is walking. Is the form of to be. Walk is the base form of the verb plus ing. Is walking. For example, she is walking to the market. Is present tense. Walk, base form of the verb, ing, is walking. They are walking. Are is the verb to be. Walk is the base form of the verb plus ing, are walking. Am is the form of the verb to be. Walk is the base form of the verb plus ing, am walking. Let's do some exercises in our textbook on page 8. We'll do exercise 3A first. It asks 3 questions of the people in the painting by David Hockney. Question 1, what do they look like? 2, what are they wearing? 3, what are they doing? Please pause the video now and answer these questions on your own. When you have answered these questions using the present progressive, please unpause the video and see what kind of answers I have given. Here are some sample answers to the 3 questions. Your answers may have been different, but here are some examples. The first question, what do they look like? She is feeling unhappy. He is feeling bored. The cat is ignoring the people. They are living in a nice apartment. Remember, for present progressive, the auxiliary verb to be must be in the present tense. Is in the present tense. Are is also in the present tense. To make the verb progressive, remember you take the base form of the verb and add ing. Feel is the base form of the verb plus ing, feeling. Ignore is the base form of the verb plus ing, ignoring. Live plus ing, living. Now, let's work on exercise 3B on page 8. In this exercise, you are to underline the verb phrase that is in the present progressive. In the painting, the man isn't wearing or doesn't wear shoes. In the UK, women often wear or are wearing big hats at weddings. In the painting, a white cat sits or is sitting on the man's knee. My son usually sits or is sitting at the back of the class so that the teacher can't see him. Please pause the video now and do the exercise on your own. When you have completed the exercise, start the video to check your answers together. The correct answer is isn't wearing, because is in the present tense, wear is the base form of the verb, plus ing, wearing. Are wearing is the correct answer because are is in the present tense, wear is the base form of the verb, plus ing, wearing. Is sitting is the correct answer because is in the present tense, sit is the base form of the verb, plus ing for the progressive, sitting. Again, is sitting is the correct answer because is present tense, sit is the base form of the verb, plus ing, sitting. And as a reminder, present progressive is an action in the present that is not finished, it is ongoing. To form the present progressive, you use the correct form of the verb to be, which might be am, is, or are, plus the base form of the verb plus ing. She is walking.